If you're seeing a server error on x.com or Twitter, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. These steps are simple, beginner-friendly, and work well when the site is loading incorrectly, getting stuck, or showing an unexpected error message. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, try a hard refresh on the page. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This forces your browser to reload the page without using the saved version, which can fix temporary loading issues and server error messages caused by a bad page cache. Give it a moment and see if x.com loads normally again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Click the extensions icon in your browser, then look for your ad blocker. If adblock is enabled, click it and turn it off for x.com or Twitter. Sometimes ad blockers can interfere with page scripts, login prompts, and site requests, which can trigger server errors or prevent the page from loading properly. After turning it off, refresh the page again and test the site. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together to open the Clear Browsing data menu. In the options that appear, make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear the data. This removes old or corrupted browser information that may be causing x.com to fail to load correctly. Once that's done, reopen x.com or Twitter and sign in again if needed. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will fix the issue right away. A hard refresh clears the page, disabling adblock removes extension conflicts, and clearing cookies and cache removes broken browser data. If the site is still giving you trouble after that, try closing and reopening your browser and checking the page once more. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for an x.com or Twitter server error. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.